Good morning, student, and welcome to Sri Eknath Rao Khadse Talent School Muktanagar online tutorial, chapter 2nd, session 5, that is creating and publishing a web pages blog. Creating and publishing means first we have to create and then we have to publish on the internet. That is called creating and publishing web pages. What you have to publish? You have to publish your web pages, and that web pages is nothing but is your blog. So how we can create that web pages and our blog, how we can write our blog, and how we can communicate with this web pages and blog, that things we are going to learn in this session. See, what is the relevant knowledge? A blog is a discussion style site used by non-technical users for creating a personal web pages. Means it is considered as a personal diary. A blog is nothing but your a personal diary where you can share your knowledge, your thoughts, and you can solve the questions of the peoples or the users, those they have their problems or queries in a particular subject. And they can share their questions on the on online platform, on the internet. So you can solve their questions online. That is nothing but the blog. That is called as a blog. Means you can maintain your just like a personal diary. Now what is web pages? Web pages is nothing but the textual information you can write on the internet by digitally. That is called web pages, and that web pages contain the different text information pages, different images, different videos, musics, all this collection in one page, and that page is connected with the hyperlinks. That is called as a web pages, and this number of web pages are interconnected with the hyperlinks in a one website. huh? that all number of web pages are included in one website. So how the website is created? The website is created with the number of web pages. Means first we have to create one page, then the second page, then the third page, and all these pages are we are interlinking by hyperlinks. So there is a slight difference between the web pages and website. Website is nothing but the number of web pages. And what is web page? Web page, it is a single page which contains the information, just like text, just like videos, just like images. Okay, this is the slight difference between the web page and website. Now, but in this session we are going to learn about the blog only. Blog is nothing but the online personal diary. What is blog? Blog is nothing but the online personal diary. Okay. Now you can use the blog to convey message about events, announcement, news, reviews, etc. What you can convey? You can convey or give the messages to your friends and relatives about your events, any announcement, news or reviews. Okay. Blogs are usually managed using a web browser. How the blogs are managed? These blogs are managed using the web browser. Which are the web browsers that you know that? Yahoo, Google, so MSN, Redmail, Hotmail, these are the browsers. Now, and this requires active internet connection. If you want to do something on the blogs, you requires active internet connection. Okay. Now you can also use offline blog software to create a content first and later publish the content. Means some softwares are also available. What the softwares are doing? That softwares are utilized to write your content offline, and after finishing your writing, you directly upload on the blog after activating your internet connection. So when you have to publish that content, you have to active the internet connection. Okay. Now there are hundreds of websites that offers a blog services for free. Some of the popular blogs include Some service providers or websites that offers you to create the blog on their own website. Which are that website? See, the first website is wordpress.com, second is blogger.com, third is blog.com, and fourth is weebly.com, and fifth is blogsome.com. These are the some websites that help you to create your own blog. Understand? Now, so how to create the blog account? See, in this session you will learn how to create a blog account in WordPress. WordPress is a free web service that you can use to create a beautiful website or a blog. You can create a blog with the help of WordPress. WordPress has support of themes for customizing the design of blog. Means WordPress provide the features to create some customizing themes around your blog or around your diary. Means you can innovatively you can design your website or blog. Understand? This can make the blog or the web page look attractive. When you customizing your theme or design your blog, your web page look very attractive and professionally. Understand? Now see, before you start using a blog account is required. You have to create first blog account. To create one, you need a web browser and internet connection. Means you have to require one laptop or one PC. In that PC, web browser is installed and one internet connection is attached to that PC or laptop. That is the basic need. Second, open the browser and on the address bar type this address. This address you have to type. This address you have to type. Which address? This address. Just copy this address, copy and type in the address bar. Here just copy and enter. What happens? See, the starting page of the WordPress website is coming in front of you, and this place this page can provide you to create your own blog account. Understand? Now next, see, you should now get to a page with the blog field, blog's address, username and password, email address and language. These are the basic things. Address, username, password, email address and language. See, address, then username, password, and then you can create the account. Understand? See, now username, you should choose a username for managing this blog. Means first you have to choose some username that you can remember for each and every time, and that should be secured. And your password, securing your WordPress blog account with a strong password important. So how you can do? You can just create your own password that is with the digits, some symbols, and that your password should be strong enough so it cannot be identified by other persons. Okay. Now after entering in the third step, you have to enter your email address. So it can an activation link will be sent to your email address, and then after opening that link in your email address, after creating pressing on that link, you can create your own blog. Then you can choose own language for blogging from this given and create a blog. These are the 5 steps you have to remember. First, copy the website name, type your username, type your password, email address, and choose the language. Then after doing this, you can create your blog. On doing so, you will be sent an email for activation your blog account. Open your email, click on the activation link and open your click active blog. You will be redirect to your WordPress blog. When you click on that link, you directly redirect on your blog. So in this way, account, you should be see a page similar to displayed below. In this way, this is the web page. Huh? When you clicking on that link, this in this way you see the web page in your PC or laptop. Understand? Now the blog is ready for use. You will be presented with the address of blog as displayed in the web page above. You can either double click on the link or type the address manually in the web browser. Either action takes you on the home page of your blog. Okay, means you have to click on the address. And home page. Once you have created a blog, you need to submit a content that you want to view, and this process ID is called posting a contents. Means if you want to create your own post, you just click on to create a post, new post. A window similar to one displayed before appears you. In this way, the window appears in front of you if you click on the new post. Hmm? Then
खाता बुक आपके बिजनेस का सच्चा साथी। माही